Hi, my name is Antonio. I work at Eurotech Motors in Los Angeles, California. We are a full-service automotive repair facility that specializes on Porsche and Audi only. What I'm doing today is I'm using high-definition mics to show you guys what it sounds like inside a 2008 A5 3.2 liter. For the exhaust sound towards the back, I will be using a Blueberry Kiwi. For the engine compartment, I decided to use two AKG C214s. The reason I'm doing this is because I usually use these microphones on the drum kit and I know how they pick up cymbals and high sounds like that, and I feel like these microphones will do a good job picking up the highs inside the engine compartment. I will be running these three microphones into an ISA 428 preamp, and the converter I will be using today is a Universal Audio Apollo.